Yan. Parang pa yung ipit mo. Uy, marami doon. Tampapay dyan, ha? Nasaan dito? Sa sulong. Sulong? Sa unang sulong. Ano pa ito mga ano mo dito?
No. And I'm just gonna show you something about it. But about in Roblox and Dash World and warning. 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 The Roblox of Dash World has been hacked. Someone has been hacked our YouTube channels.
What's the other?
Please try again. Lock your doors. Stay safe.